Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about buying band equipment. In this video we'll be covering the basics of buying equipment for your band. Now it always sounds great when you first form your first band that we're going to be in it together, we're brothers and sisters forever, we'll always be playing together. Unfortunately, this doesn't always happen. People have to leave for various reasons, going to college, going to university, getting married, starting a family, starting a job. That takes you away from band rehearsal. So when you buy band equipment, you can do it two ways. First way is each person buys their own individual equipment. So if you're a guitarist, you buy your own guitar, your own amplifiers, your own mic stand if you need a mic stand and a microphone to sing with, or you can all chip it in together. The problem with this is if one person leaves, what do you do? Well, you can do it two ways. One, you can compensate them with some money. Say you all chipped in £50, when they leave, give them nearly £50 back, depending on how old the equipment's still working. This way, when the person leaves, there's no ill will because there's nothing they've left that they've put money into. Again, if the equipment's getting older, you obviously give the person less money back because it's not worth as much as when they first chipped in. So that's the two ways you can do it. You can either buy your own individual equipment, that's okay as long as everybody can afford to do that, or all chip in together. But remember, when the one person leaves, try to compensate them in some way, money or a piece of equipment, for lieu of payment that they chipped in. This always keeps the peace when bands split up, because there's no I paid so much money into that band and now I'm no longer in that band. It's just a good way of keeping good will. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. So until next time, take care, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.